Hi guys, hope you are all well. I'm going to slaughter a chicken. I'm going to butcher that hen. Is it a hen? Yeah, catch up with me as we butcher a hen. I don't know if you'll do it guys, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Catch up with me. I did it guys, I did it. It's gone. I'm very tensed. I'm just going to put it in hot, very hot water there so that the feathers can get out. As you can see now, I'm waiting for the feathers to come off. That is super hot water. Yeah. We are almost done. I'm just going to rinse it again with some boiling water. I'm just going to clean this mess a little bit. Then I rinse it off and then I start partitioning out with the legs. I know I've not cut like the best way, but my knife is a little bit blunt. So when you're doing this, make sure that your knife is so sharp, because this is the kienyeji one and the bones are so strong. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot water to it to rinse off the rest of the feathers. Then you can start partitioning. Partitioning. Then you can start partitioning it. Oh yes guys, I did it. Oh my god, I can't wait to partition it. It's my first time doing this, so if you have a better way of doing it, you can comment down below and tell me a better way of doing this. But so far so good. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, I can do it. I can do it. I woke up with this affirmation and oh my god, it's the best thing I've ever done. It's my first time doing this. Okay guys, let's start partitioning it. Well, I forgot to mention guys, so if you have a jiko, you can pass it through to remove the small feathers that have remained. But for me, I'll just partition it, but because I don't have a lit jiko right now. So if you have a jiko, you can pass it over the fire a little bit, then you go and partition it. But as for me, I'll just partition it because I feel my chicken is cleaned enough. I've rinsed it like twice with hot boiling water, then I ran a little bit of cold water on it to rinse it thoroughly. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh my god, nobody told me that slaughtering a chicken is a messy affair. So I tried removing all the things in the stomach, but they were not moving, so I decided to remove the legs first. Here it is, the leg and the chicken thigh, because I was looking for something. Well, there is a certain thing, this cupping, I don't know what to call it, this black thing. Is it black? I generally know that if it is cut inside the stomach, it will make the whole chicken taste badly. So I was really hoping that I got it right. I got it outside when it wasn't, and it had not broken. Remember guys, this is my first time and I'm just putting into guesswork, into seeing, into watching videos and putting them to work. I'll even post a link down below for that video that I watched. so that if maybe this doesn't help you, you can refer to the other video or something like that. So let me continue partitioning it, then I'll show you the last thing. Well guys, this is such a messy affair. It's such a messy affair. Well, I removed all the intestines that were in here. Oh my god, and I managed to get this out. I believe it's eaten. It's a gizzard. So I'm supposed to like cut it across and release everything that is inside, then I wash it well. So far we have how many pieces? We have 1, 2, and these are some of the things that I managed to rescue. There's a bit of liver and the small 2 eggs. Oh my god. And now I'm going to continue partitioning this. This is the back of the chicken. It's a kienyeji one, so it's not a little bit big. Already we have 2 pieces too. Then let's see if I'll manage to have like 8 pieces of this chicken. Yeah, I'll update you guys. Guys, here it's the moment of truth, and let's see how many parts I managed to get out of my kienyeji chicken. So I'll start with this big part, and this part I'm going to. So guys, I managed to get these pieces of chicken, and I'm going to count with you how many parts I managed to get out of this kienyeji chicken. And I'll start with this big part. It required a lot of more effort, and I was not able to break it into 2 equal parts. Remember guys, I told you that this kienyeji chicken requires you to have a very sharp knife, and this is the first part. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one I won't count it as a part because I'll only use it when boiling. This is the neck part, and it's not tasty. It's not so much tasty, and nobody loved this in my house. So what number were we? I believe we're number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. This one is, let's say I got about 10 parts of kienyeji chicken, and not forgetting my gizzard and a little bit of liver that I managed also to get. This is just skin. Yes, so I'm just going to boil them. Thank you guys. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Give me those likes, guys. This super mom is doing the best she can to give you exclusive content. Yeah, and if I did it, you can also do it. Thank you guys for your support so far. Mwah.